Kumno pura saya simpat ngapediang subhai pi ke YouTube channel jonga English with Rudy. Hakani ke video nginyo jingikai halor ke past simple tense. Kumo pitip ingi penon kami ke past simple tense habangi kren pang ke ke beladap. Hakani ke jingikai ngin page kumno ki verb ki kala syaka past tense habangi penon kami ki ban kren pang ke beladap. Ngin page kumno ban penon kami ke past simple tense haki jingye kren lani haki conversation. Lara pidon kinu kini jingkeli lani piko aban ajing mut ngumha ban bu iki comments harum bawa num klat dan subscribe ika channel jonga. Alim tangin page kumno penon kam ya ka past simple tense. Shua bangan sedang aku aban pentip syaphi ba ya ki jubab jong ke video beladap halor ke active but passive voice ki don ha ka blog jonga ka english2khasi.blogspot.com ngan bu ika link ha ka description harum. Hakani ka blog ru phin lap bun ki jingikai. Tis ngoba madle iskani ka blog jonga but what num klat ban follow yanga. Tongin ya jam shkmat bat ngin page ika jingikai halor ka past simple tense. Ya ka past simple tense ngi penon kam ban kren syafang ki jingle bat ki ki balajia menshua ne. Ngin haban kan maru ba barabor habang penon kam ya ka past simple tense ngi penon kam ki be verbs was but were. Alingin pek koi kanuksa. How was your day? It was good. Ngin haban kan maru ba ya ka be verb was ngi penon kam bat ki subject I, she, he but it. But ya ka be verb were ngi penon kam bat ki subject we, you but they. Aling ini page sa artali kinuksa. Were you and your brother at home yesterday? I was at home, but he was in school. Were the books heavy? Yes, they were heavy. Aling ini jam shkamat. Haka past simple tense barabor iki verb ngijupun kala na ka base form syaka past form. Aling ini page ya kawai kinuksa. How was your weekend? I visited a museum and explored the city. What about you? I watched a movie and cooked dinner. Did you enjoy the museum? Yes, I learned a lot. What did you cook for dinner? I made pasta. It was delicious. Hakani ka jingi kren ngiyo I, ba, ya ki verb visit, watch, cook, learn but make ngilapan kala siya ka past form visited, watched, cooked, learned, made. Haka past simple tense pin labru ba haki jingkeli ngijupunong kam barabor ya kakantin did. Aling inpek koi kanuksa. Where did you grow up? I grew up in a small town. How about you? I grew up in the city. Did you have any favorite childhood activities? I loved riding my bike and playing with friends. Did you have any hobbies back then? I played football and learned to play the piano. Did you enjoy school? Yes, I enjoyed learning and spending time with classmates. What subjects were your favorites? I liked science and art. Did you have a favorite subject too? Maths was my favorite. Hakani ke jingi kren POE ba haki jingkeling ipunukam did. But ya ki verb grow, love, play, enjoy, like but find ngipen kala sya ka past form grew, loved, played, enjoyed, liked, found. Shua bangin penkut kan mau pangi penon kam ya ka past simple tense ban keren syapang ki jingle but ki balajia shua ne. Hapangi penon kam ya ka past simple tense ngiju penon kam ru ya ki be verbs was but were. Haki jingkeli ru ngiju penon kam barabor ya ka kentin did. Bahkan mau bai ki verb haka past simple tense ngiju pen kala na ka base form syaka past form. Kermen bakal ni jingkai kelak mentoi pi semua benang nyai pe ya ka YouTube channel jonga English with Rudy. Bawa num klik dan subscribe ke channel jonga. Mentang kesing tangkat ni, kublish pun ngin saya kendopat.